and welcome. I'm Svetlana with the LiveAlgarve Bespoke Realty, and today I would like to present to you this incredible oceanfront villa. 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 381 square meters on a good-sized plot, recently renovated, luxury features, panoramic ocean view. And the location of this property, it is just next to the luxury Palmares Golf Course, with an easy access to the JW Marriott, Michelin restaurants, cafe. It is a short drive to Lagos, close to international schools, about 1 hour away from International Fair Airport, and it is about 3 hours drive to Lisbon for cultural events. And the beauty is this beautiful Vale da Lama Laguna with the kites. The villa is south-facing, and it is very bright with the skylights and with the top-to-bottom windows. It has 2 levels. On the main level, there is 4 bedrooms, 2 en-suites, open-concept living, kitchen, and dining. There is 1 more level downstairs where is a cinema, sauna, a guest accommodation, and a fitness. With 1 level above, there is a rooftop terrace with an incredible panoramic view and an option to have a jacuzzi. And I would like to highlight the best features of this villa. LED lights, a beautiful African wooden floor, underfloor heating, central ventilation, and this entire main level has access to the outdoor to the 11x6 saltwater heated swimming pool. And one more interesting feature, there is a gate in the garden, and if you own a cart, you can access restaurants and cafe. So this is the best panoramic ocean view in the area. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. Please reach out if you would like to see this property. This has been Cheers from Lagos, and I will see you soon.